There's Niner.
Kick.
Right there.
Right there.
Right there.
Oh, okay. Well,
No, you gotta go set it down, Josh. Go set it down.
I thought you wanted me to light it.
No. Go set it on the floor. Yeah, I see your dad holding that sucker.
Wow. I think some of the sparks made it in the pool.
They're banging off the shed.
Is that it?
No, don't walk up to it.
7 more.
It's.
That sucks.
That's dangerous.
Let it go.
I'm dangerous.
That sucks.
It's a trap.
You know, that's really bad. It's not like you can just throw those in the burner barrel.
Hey, Dad, watch
Remember
this.
that one.
Dad, watch
Oh,
this.
Get it lit.
Dad,
That
watch this.
sucks.
Dad.
You got an idea?
Walk up there and light that fucker. Light the bottom. The bottom. Hit the trigger again.
What if this one explodes?
Try it again.
Don't get your head too close.
Light the bottom of the box, Kurt.
Oh, the bottom of the box?
Think you're going?
You got it, Dad.
Actually, this kit very bad for
It'll go up.
I don't know, guys.
Just turn the knob.
See your
See
light?
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I think we ought to just get rid of that.
Hold on. Can you see the fuse in there, Chris?
It's supposed to be over that one right there. That should be the next one in line, which there's your plug.
Don't get your face in front of it.
That's the one that needs to go.
Yeah, but the problem is the fuse is underneath. Rip the side of the box.
It's underneath. It's like underneath here. You know what I mean? No, yeah, work it over this way. There you go.
You see it?
See anything?
How do this?
Hey, I see it. I see it. I think I see it. Nope, I see it. Okay, I see it.
All right.
Is it way in the back? Or No, you I can got it. I got it. I can do it.
Here, let me see the light.
Yeah.
Here. Use that.
Yeah. Look out, guys.
Step back.
Well, hey. A little technical
Hey.
difficulty, but we managed.
We figured out how to make her go.
probably one off. That one right there. That one go? I think they all went.
Did they all go?
I think so. No, that one, I don't think that one.
That one didn't go.
That one didn't go.
Watch it, because that son of a bitch is smoldering.
Wait, look down in the tube.
Well,
Yeah, they went.
they did? Okay. Good.
Good.
All right. Well,
Yeah.
they all went then.
It's smoldering. Let's lay down the tube.
Yeah, boom. That was
All right, what are you doing now?